Hey guys, today I'm doing something a little bit different. So me and my family are about to go on vacation to New Mexico. So I wanted to show you what I'm packing or what I'm taking with me just for me, and then I guess everything we're taking as like a family of 3 and kind of how I like to pack and everything. So anyway, let's get into it. Here's all of my clothes that I'm taking with me on our trip. And I've already packed up my underwear and bras and socks, and they're already in the suitcase on the other side, which I'm not going to show those just because. But I think I have 8 underwear altogether, and just in case, I think our trip's only like 7 days. And then 5 pairs of socks because I have some shoes that I don't wear socks with. And I think I'm taking like 4 bras. Those are the clothes I'm going to be wearing while we're driving, and all that's going in our overnight bag. Over there are all my pajamas and pajama shirts. Yes, I'm a pajama pants girl. And then here I have 1 pair of jeans, 2 kind of like loose loungy pants, and then 3 pairs of tights or leggings. And then over here are all my shirts, and then I have this kimono and other kind of slightly dressier up shirt in case we go out to eat anywhere. But once again, this is just kind of a relaxing vacation, so we're not really planning on going anywhere. I think I have 9 shirts in total, but that's what I want to take, just in case. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I fold at least pants and shirts. And this is just the way I do it. I use the rolling method. There are like way other ways to do it. I don't think this is completely wrinkle-free. This is just the way I do it, and I try to fit as much as I can in 1 suitcase. I'm hoping, and usually it works, that I've taken this suitcase to Disney World and fit both mine and John's clothes in there. So I'm sure I could do it again. Now for pants, I just kind of lay them flat and start rolling from the bottom. And put that part in. And see also why I don't want to take a lot of jeans, because they take up the most space. And then for shirts, we'll fold them inward. Trying to get it as flat as I can so they're not too wrinkled, but they're still going to be wrinkled. And then with these, I like to start at the top and roll down. I can usually stack 2 or 3 shirts on top of each other that way. So there you go. And that's how I roll pants and shirts. And that's the way I pack. And some people do different ways, but that's the way I do it. Okay, now all of my clothes are pretty much in there except for what's going to be in the overnight bag. And I can still stuff a little bit more in there, and then I don't know, this suitcase is really great because it does expand a little bit. And then John usually doesn't pack that many clothes, so I can fit whatever he needs in there, and whatever else I'll find a place for it. So we don't need to take, you know, a lot of bags. So there you go. Okay, and here's all my toiletry stuff. That isn't makeup, and that stuff over here is going to be going in the overnight bag, and everything else is going to be packed up until we get to New Mexico. So first, There is charcoal exfoliating gloves that I got from Ulta. They're really great. My Revlon 2-in-1 volumizer hair dryer. My little Pit hair dryer, or PYT, that I got from Boxy. My T3 curling iron, and hairbrush, some face masks that probably me and my sister-in-law are going to use. And then we got sunscreen, cotton pads, I have perfume. This is also sunscreen that's like a body stick that I've used a lot. Bug spray are off. I'm going to see if somebody else wants this I am trash perfume because I do not like it, but I don't want to just waste it. Nail polish, my Glow Motion Sol de Janeiro glow oil, foot soak stuff, Sol de Janeiro shower gel, shave cream, foot cream. Okay, this stuff is really cool. It's called the Cool Fix, and it's Shave Works, the Cool Fix, and it is, if you get like irritation bumps from shaving and everything, it's supposed to help with that, and it's been awesome, and I really like it. This is like gel for my hair, and some super cream for my hair, and this is my Billie razor and shave head. And if you don't know about Billie, it's really cool. It's like $9, however many times you want to get razors in. Anyway, just check it out. It's Billie.com. Okay, and I'm also doing all this with anything that's kind of open that I'm afraid that might leak, because we are going somewhere where the pressure is going to change. So there's more chance of things leaking. So I recommend doing this whenever you're going on a plane or going somewhere that has a different, or is gonna mess with the air pressure with your stuff. Okay. And yeah, and then once I pack my overnight bag, I'll go through all that stuff too. But so far, that's everything that's gonna be in my toiletries bag, which is going to be that black bag. I have this extra bag over here if I need it, and then that blue backpack that we've had forever is going to be our overnight bag. So yeah. Okay, and here's what I'm taking in my overnight bag. So here's a shirt and underwear and socks for the next day, and pajamas and a top. And then I have my deodorant, lotion, floss. And the reason I don't have a toothbrush and toothpaste is that we're just gonna buy some on our way because we need new ones anyway. And then this is all my skincare stuff. I bought the Drunk Elephant minis because they're just a lot easier to take, and I'll use them up anyway. And that has cream, wash, sunscreen, serum. This is eye cream, and this is vitamin C serum, face oil, and AHA. And then also my full-size stuff that I'm taking of Drunk Elephant is my butter cleanser, and then my eye serum, because I like to mix the eye cream and the eye serum. You don't have to, but whatever. And then the bronzy drops, sunshine drops. And then I'm also taking the Sugar Advanced Therapy lip treatment, and it's just really good, really hydrating, and every time I do my skincare, I like to finish it off with the lip balm. And then I also have my charger, which is actually probably going to end up going in my laptop bag, but I probably won't show that because it's just going to be my laptop and charger and pretty much anything electronic. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going to be in the overnight bag, and we're going to use that backpack, which will also have John's stuff and Ramona's stuff for their overnight things that they need also. So yeah. Okay, and last but not least, I also need to pack up my electronic stuff, like I said earlier, but y'all aren't gonna be able to see that because that also includes my camera. But so anyway, this is all the makeup I'm taking, which, when did this happen? But anyway, and that's the bag I'm using, which is like an old Mary Kay bag, but I don't really have anything smaller, so yeah. Okay, here's the blushes, which I might take one more palette, I'm not sure. But taking the Wet n Wild color icon and my new Burt's Bees. Taking my all ColourPop eyeshadow, which is the Disney Designer Collection and Sweet Talk. And these two yellow singles that I have, which they're both yellow. Okay, and then my Morphe setting spray, eyelashes, eyelash curler, caution, or Hourglass Caution mascara, eyelash glue, scissors, all of my eye pencils and brow gel, all my brushes are in here that I'm taking, beauty blender, which will go in here, color switch, these brushes that won't fit in here, and primer. I don't know which one I like more. I think right now I like the Prime Essence more, but I still want to kind of mess with the Tatcha. My ColourPop concealer, my e.l.f. brush, daily brush cleaner, which is awesome. You just brush it and wipe your brush on your towel and it's good to go again. My Fenty Beauty bronzer, my Shinoda Bronze and Glow, and my Ofra highlighter. So these are kind of very different highlighters, whereas this one's like super bright, this one's a little bit more natural looking. So, okay. All my lip products that I want to take, my little mirror, tweezers, makeup wipes, Hourglass veil, and my two foundations I'm going to take. So that's pretty much it. And I wish I had a smaller bag that would fit everything more nicely, but oh well. Everything's going to be in the cart anyway. So there you go. Okay, so this is everything that we're packing, or that we're taking with us, except for maybe like 2 more things. So we have our toiletry bag, mine and John's clothes, Ramona's clothes, our overnight bag, my camera bag, my makeup bag, and this is mine and Ramona's shoes. So that's pretty much everything. I think John probably has like one more smaller bag that has a console in it. And then we're also bringing some food with us. And that's pretty much it. So, got it all done, yay! So that was everything that we're taking with us and how I pack my clothes and makeup and toiletries and all that kind of other stuff. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful in some way. Alright, well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!